chickens, ducks. Hello, Mr. Chicken. Oh my. Yeah, what you're seeing, guys, wild chickens in Yorkshire. What? Off he goes. We've got a pot.
Ready? Go.
Yeah. Never thought I'd be doing this on a Sunday morning. Chicken! And I've got to say, this is episode 6, ducks and chickens. I've got to do the episode. And look, we've got a rooster!
Cool. Look at these chickens.
We got a rooster
Here you
over
go.
here. That rooster. Whoa! Let's see if they think I'm one of them. Oh, they're scared of me. Hi, guys. Hello, Mr. Chicken. Mr. Chicken Burger. Mr. Fried Chicken. Hello, Mr. Duck. Hello, Mr. Duck. Where's the rooster? Let's find the rooster. Guys, look at this rooster. Oh, cockerel. I don't know if it's a rooster or a cockerel. I can't tell, guys. Wow. Never seen one of these before. Turns out, I've just found out, I think he is a cockerel, not a rooster. What a beautiful sight. Chickens and ducks. I don't think I'd be seeing chickens. Ducks, fair enough, but like chickens, I don't think I'd be seeing. What is this, bro? Let's go follow him. Aww. Look at him. Look at this chicken. Oh my god, my life has been complete. A chicken has crossed the road. Why did the chicken cross the road? I've just seen it happen. Let's go. I'm gonna find on this chicken. Hello. Cockerel and a chicken. Wow, he's a pretty boy, that cockerel. Hello, cockerel. Hello, Mr. Cockerel. Oh, you don't like me. Okay, that's fine. I love a cockerel. I can't take my eyes off him. Look at him. I can sit here all day and watch these ducks and cockerel. And there's a bench there I can sit on.
Really nice. But in the river.
Wow. Getting quite close to you. And off he goes. Oh, that's a beautiful rooster. Look, more chickens crossing the road. Oh my god, I've actually seen it. The cockerel. Why do I keep calling it a rooster? I think most of the chickens have gone, so let's have a look at the ducks. Let's just sit by the sledge over here. Look at that big boy. And look, the chickens and the cockerel are over there. I think the chickens have all gone now, so guess it's the ducks we might look at. I'm gonna go to the bench. Oh, there's a bunch of food here. Why don't they eat it? Right. Like what? Chill! 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 What are you doing, bro? Okay, turns out there's a chicken over there. Hello. Come on, get close. You okay? So guys, this is what I have in my sandwich. Sometimes I have chicken sandwich. You're not getting attention, bro. Right. Bro is AFK, look at him. Look, he's AFK, never mind. But guys, never thought I'd encounter a chicken, a real life chicken. And no, it's not a statue, look, it's moving, look. See, it moved his head. Ducks crossing the road. And by the way, we're in a nice little village. I don't know what village, but car. Look at him. I could stroke him at this point. Oh, never mind. Off he goes. Off he goes. And that is episode 6, Ducks and Chickens, finished. I'll see you in episode 7 for You'll Find Out. Bye guys.